Messy requirements don't slow teams down. Unclear thinking does. Hi, this is Hamza, a product enthusiast helping people grow in tech. Today, we're talking about a real problem every product manager faces: turning messy, unstructured requirements into clear, actionable scope. Because in reality, requirements don't come clean. They come from stakeholders with partial context, users with vague pain points, and business teams with urgency but no clarity. And your job is to bring structure into that chaos. Let's start with the first step: problem clarity. Before thinking about features, you need to understand what exactly is the problem, who is facing it, and what impact is it creating. If you skip this, you'll end up building solutions for the wrong problem. Strong PMs don't jump to solutions, they define problems precisely. Next, signal versus noise. Not everything you hear is equally important. Some inputs are opinions, some are edge cases, some are actual patterns. Your role is to filter noise and identify signals. Look for repeated user pain points, measurable inefficiencies, clear business impact. That's where real scope comes from. Now, structuring the requirements. This is where clarity starts to form. Break things down into user intent system behavior and expected outcome instead of saying improve reporting dashboard. Define it like this: as a fund manager, I need real-time portfolio visibility so that I can make faster investment decisions. Now the scope becomes actionable, then comes scope definition. This is where many PMs struggle. Scope is not just what you're building, it's also what you're not building. Define what's included, what's excluded, and what assumptions you're making. Because unclear scope leads to scope creep, and scope creep kills delivery. Finally, technical alignment. This is critical in digital and platform products. You need to translate business requirements into something engineering can execute. That means understanding data flows, API dependencies, system constraints. You don't need to code, but you need to think in systems. Because if the system doesn't support your idea, the idea doesn't matter. So messy requirements are normal. Clear scope is a skill, and that skill separates average PMs from high impact ones. If this gave you clarity, comment your biggest challenge when dealing with messy requirements. Like, share, and subscribe for more product and tech insights. I'll see you in the next one.